Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. Well friends, I'm back with the charging speed test on the Realme GT device after the Realme UI 3.0 update. Yes friends, this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. So just today morning only I did receive the Realme UI 3.0 early beta version update, as you can clearly see friends. Let's see how fast the Realme GT device can actually charge after this recent update. So right now the battery percentage is about close to 1% exactly. You can clearly see here. So let's see, while using this 1%, I'll try to start the charging speed test in this device. And there is only one SIM card in the phone, you can clearly see, and there is no live wallpapers, there is no background applications running at this moment. And here's a small chart which I did keep ready. So I'll try to write down the battery percentage and temperatures for every 10 minutes, 50% and 20 minutes, 30 minutes and full charge. So 50%, how much time the phone takes to charge. These are the few things which I'll definitely concentrate in this video. And this is the 65 watt charger which I'm trying to use in this video, and let me try to connect to the charger and let's see whether is there any kind of new type of animation will be visible or not, because in the Realme UI 3.0 we did see a lot of changes happen with the UI as well. So that's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate and check right now. So right now the charging is started and we cannot see any kind of new type of animation at this moment, nothing much. Same kind of super dot animation only we're trying to see. As you can see friends, there's no change in the animations at all, nothing. And let's check the temperatures in the beginning. Right now the temperature is about 31.6 degrees Celsius and the back side 32.2 degrees Celsius. Overall the temperature is not increasing, not much higher at this point, as you can see. So I'm gonna be back after some time, maybe close to 10 minutes of time. In 10 minutes of time I'll try to see. Let me try to disable the always on display. I forgot to do that, sorry for that. Let's disable that. I don't want any kind of draining. So with always on display turned off in the beginning, let's see how much the battery percentage can actually charge after 10 minutes of time. So I'm gonna be back after 10 minutes. So right now, as you can see friends, we are exactly close to 10 minutes of time, and the 10 minutes the phone charged to 46% of the battery in 10 minutes exactly. So let me write down the readings. 46%, not bad. And let's check the temperatures. What is the temperature of the phone at this moment? It's of 35.4 degrees, 35.8 degrees Celsius. Backside 35.4 degrees Celsius, not bad. So 36. So overall the highest temperature is about 36 degrees Celsius for the first 10 minutes of charging the device. So I'm gonna be back after some time, maybe close to when the phone gets 50%. Let's see. So right now it's 48%. Maybe in the 11 minutes of time, the phone might get charged to 50% of the battery as well. Exactly 11 minutes. Let's see what's going to happen. 49%, the phone already charged. And I did create separate playlist friends for the Realme UI 3.0 users. So make sure to follow the playlist for more details in case if you have any other queries on the Realme UI 3.0 related. And exactly 11 minutes, the phone charged to 50% of the battery. So overall, I did not see any kind of huge decrease in the, slowdown in the charging speed anyway at this moment. But I'm gonna be back after 20 minutes of charging the device continuously. In 15 minutes of time, the phone charged to 65% of the battery in 15 minutes. As you can see friends, just out of curiosity only, I'm trying to show you what happens after 15 minutes of charging. So 65% of the battery got filled within 15 minutes of charging. That's really very fast, that's very good. So I'm gonna be back after 20 minutes of time. So right now, as you can see friends, we're getting close to exactly 20 minutes of time, and let's check the temperatures meanwhile. It's of 35.4 degrees Celsius, not bad. The temperature did not cross about 36 degrees Celsius. Right now it's only 35. That's fantastic. So within 20 minutes the temperature already decreased. It's not bad. So 35 degrees Celsius. Sorry, I need to write in 20 minutes of time, 35 degrees Celsius. And exactly 20 minutes I'll try to turn on the power button, and 81% of the phone got charged. In 20 minutes of time only 81%. That's really good to know. And with this 20 minutes of charging, definitely one day you can definitely use with a normal to medium usage without any kind of problem. So if you're in a hurry, this will be really helpful. So I'm gonna be back when the phone gets close to 99%, because the phone can actually take charge and fully charge within 30 minutes as well. So I'll try to show you. I'm gonna be back when the phone gets close to 99% of the battery. So right now we are getting close to 27 minutes of time, and the phone battery percentage reached to 98%. As you can see, it is exactly 98% in 27 minutes of time. Not bad. It's really very fast. It's same like the fast as Realme GT Neo 2. Realme GT Neo 2 can also come this kind of very close, but I'll try to do the side-by-side comparison, then we will be able to understand slightly more difference between these both phones. But overall, let's see. Right now it's 98%. So overall, the last 2 to 3% will take slightly kind of some time, little bit, but not a huge time. 99% around 27 minutes of time. Finally 99% friends, so any minute the phone can actually get full charge. But there's a difference charging 100% and showing completely fully charged. So I'll try to explain you. So 28 minutes of time. Right now it's showing 99%, 28 minutes. So whenever the battery gets close to 100%, the phone screen doesn't lit up. So you need to every time press the power button and check it. That's the reason I'm trying to check for every 10-15 seconds one time. So what is happening with the battery? So 20 seconds, yes. Again, I'll check around 30 seconds. So in this way, I'll be able to check what is going on. And meanwhile, if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely, I'll be able to do those kind of videos as soon as possible for you all. Right now, 100% the phone got charged completely. As you can see, friends, 100%. But I need to continue the test. Sorry, I did stop the test. I should not stop. So the main reason is because 28 minutes it showed 100%, but still the charging indication you can see. You can see the charging message as well. So it takes some time to show the message saying fully charged. So there is a difference between 100% and showing fully charged. Still we are getting the animation. So after some time, the phone will get fully charged. It takes close to 4 to 5 minutes of time. So again, I'll be back after some time. So right now we did reach close to 32 minutes of time and still the phone is charging. Still the message is showing us charging, as you can clearly see. Still 100% is need to be completely filled. So let's wait for some more time. Let's see how much more time it's gonna take. So 28 minutes, 100% we got the message, but still it did take 5 minutes more, but still showing the charging indication. So it depends, friends, randomly, sometimes 4 minutes, sometimes 6 minutes, sometimes 7 minutes. So it's kind of random. That's why I need to keep on checking the phone what is going on. Right now it's 34 minutes and still showing the charging symbol only. So let's see how long the phone gonna take. Right now it's 35 minutes and still the phone showing charging indication only. It's not showing charged. So still the phone gonna take some time. As you can see, friends, it's taking some time. And the temperatures, don't worry, the temperatures definitely got decreased so that it's back to normal as well. But still I'm worried about the long time it's taking. But usually the few people only will charge until fully charged, but still. So I don't advise you to charge 100%, but you can actually check here 100% still. Let's see how much more time the phone gonna take. Right now it's 36 minutes and still showing charging symbol. I mean, still charging. Finally, the phone charged to 100%, exactly around 38 minutes of time. So once the phone gets charged to 100%, it will generate a sound as well, some kind of sound. I did get the notification. That's how I got to know that phone charged to 100%, some kind of volume. Yes. So it took about 38 minutes to fully charge the phone. So 10 minutes of extra time it took to fully charge the battery. 10 minutes, literally, as you can see. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick charging speed test on the Realme GT after the recent software update, which is the Realme UI 3.0 in this Realme GT device. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.